After multiple cases of illnesses in the area and across the country, there has been anxiety over health and vaccinations.
It's a bacterial infection of the lungs.
With the recent outbreaks of pertussis, also known as whooping cough, and the measles, pediatrician offices have been receiving more phone calls and questions from concerned parents about vaccinations. Dr. John Nicholson of Alpena says recently he's seen the number of parents getting their children vaccinated increase.
How many don't have it increases the chance of the whole community facing it, and that's an unknown number. It's kind of a threshold we don't know. But that's the first foothold into a community, is the kiddos who don't have immunizations.
Those who have been immunized against pertussis have a 1% chance of catching the virus, and those who have been immunized for measles have less than a 1% chance of catching the disease.
Most of these immunizations protect them against getting the disease. Some, like the pertussis, even if you get it, if you've been immunized, it lessens how long it lasts, lessens how bad it is.
In 2013, the CDC reported that 91% of infants received the measles vaccination and 83% received the pertussis vaccination, but many are still opting out.
Michigan has one of the easiest policies for opting out of the vaccinations in the country.
That all changed last week when new vaccine waiver requirements were drafted. Now parents who would like to opt out of getting their children vaccinated will have to talk with a health worker about the diseases the shots protect against. They will also be listed for opting out, and school officials and parents of children at those schools can access the list. But Dr. Nicholson says residents of northeastern Michigan shouldn't worry too much about the illnesses going around if they've been vaccinated.
These diseases, while contagious, are not easily obtained, and you have to be right in front of the person who has them, and you have to be unimmunized, and your immune system has to fail all at the same time. And so I'm not sure we need to have quite the level of hysteria that's been going on.
During the season of flu bugs and colds, many can still protect themselves by washing hands regularly and staying out of work and school if you start to feel sick.